Casatta Hotpoint pump, but FHP, there you are.
Tonight you're mine.
Oh god.
Completely. You give me your love so sweetly. Tonight the light of love is in your
Kind of synthetics. Oh, what's your favourite one? Woolens, isn't it?
Woolens.
What's bio profile?
Do you know every time I make a wool, every time I film a wool cycle, I go, Clarky will enjoy this. And then you got electronic door, obviously.
Yeah.
Super Spin 1200.
Just like Amelia.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got even the same sort of door lock as me, where it locks through it like that.
Yeah.
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 Proper barking up.
Where's it got water in it? I know.
Yeah, but it's plumbed in.
Casatta Hotpoint pump, but FHP, there you are. There's some people who can't tell the difference between it. I can.
Oh, you can. Jesus.
There's
There's
differences.
a proper different noise.
That'd be going.
Let alone
yeah.
the fact that the GEC are far louder.
And they got
The
more
noise
torque.
is completely.
When it goes to spin, it does that. That's so much nicer. That is that colour.
I know.
Zircon Silver.
People. Oh, who is it? Chris Parker.
Was
Goes,
it?
it should be all white. Sorry, but graphite. I actually love the graphite.
There is actually a difference between Zircon Silver and graphite. There is like
Yeah,
slight
there's
difference.
one slightly darker.
Graphite's darker. Because
They still have the gold spec in it though.
yeah, Matt and Elliot have got the Zircon Silver WMA dryer, but their WD640 is graphite, and it's darker. You can see it.
Yeah.
Although someone sprayed their front one bronze. Someone sprayed it bronze.
Although, there who was it? Janak posted something like the WMA. I didn't know it existed. What's that special colour it did?
Natural oyster. Is it like a sort of?
No, yeah, the oyster one. It's like,
a
brownish.
It's like modern almond colour, basically, in a way.
Yeah.
It's like a brownish
Yeah,
colour.
they-
It's like I've never seen one in the line.
I've never seen it. Neither saw it in Curry's or
It's obviously
anything.
had natural linen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Polar white and Zircon Silver and satin aluminium. You had.
Right, that's right.
Tell you what is rare though. There's a WF000 natural linen.
Or sandstone. Oh, the sandstone colour. That's it. Sandstone.
That's what you were called. And the WD840. For some bizarre reason, it didn't.
WD840. They actually did one.
840, yeah,
They-
in sandstone.
I never knew they did an 840. I thought it was only 860 they did.
I've never seen an 840.
Neither have I. Never seen it in the brochures or anything.
Yeah, it was an 840, but only in sandstone. That's you couldn't get the sandstone in the 860,
No, you
but
can't.
you could in the 840.
840.
So that must
So you
be
got
what I...
sandstone and white, and then I think the 860 you had obviously graphite and polar white.
Oh yeah, that's sort of some redistribute. Yeah. That's what the profile spin is.
Because that's what the micro profile sort of did as well.
Yeah, well at least you put your micro profile just went right, go.
It did have a balance sensor. though.
That's weird. A 9.5 having a balance sensor, and then all the follow ones didn't have one.
Yeah.
But I bet it would take a lot to trigger that, though, wouldn't it?
It
It'd probably have to be like hitting the sides nearly for it to do that.
almost, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like with these, it has to be literally.
yeah, it has to be like really properly unbalanced. For
Yeah, 42. So that's
A
like
half time the cassette will spin, and it doesn't even move an inch when it'll spin.
Yeah.
That's really weird. Yet the 9.5 will go straight into the kitchen drawer when it spins. That's really.
Have you seen that video of that WM52?
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, probably.
It
That one that
like-
jumped back like 6 inches, literally almost flipped over. But
Yeah, I
then
should
was,
have
it already
found.
sounded unbalanced when it went to spin.
I
It was like,
WM51 used to do
go for
that.
it.
Yeah, I WM51 did that because it tore my Lanzano once.
Aye, that's right.
It was on-
You said that.
Oh, that was the 9.5 that did that actually. It was the one with feet. It tore the line off on it as it jumped forward.
Well, you just tear lino off in general, to be
We're
honest.
moving them on there,
Fucking
yeah.
hate lino. Pardon that.
What was yours? Is yours vinyl flooring?
It's not actually. It's because like Martin being disabled, as specified for it being like non-slip. So it's like the stuff you get in a shower room.
That's it, yeah.
So when you're in the swimming
Yeah,
bath,
I've seen that. Yeah, yeah, but the thing is, I've been in someone else's house that was by the council, and they had non-slip.
yeah,
Like, and it's so solid. You know, you can't rip it.
no,
But I didn't realise that was liner actually until the other day.
yeah,
It's got rip in it.
oh good.
Which is, yeah, when we move out, the kitchen's getting replaced. It's the original kitchen that came with the house.
All right, okay.
It's got a crack. Oh no, it's just a scratch.
No, it's a crack.
Oh.
Came with the machine. But you see, the thing is with Jacobs, you also have to replace the buttons. There's no buttons.
Oh.
Because that went onto this.
All right, okay.
Because mine, it got damaged at some point.
Right.
And it damaged the line, so you could have like, I think when I bought it, you could have B, E and G, and that was it. And half the options were disabled as well, because that's how you cut through.
Yeah.
So they like running, working, but then as soon as I got Jacob, it was like, right, that's coming out. Especially after you threw up the F14 for it. It's like, oh, I'm not bothering now.
What was like a heater or something? Look.
Heater, yeah. I wonder if it's like not
What's
attached to
creaking in
heat.
it? Something's creaking in that.
Yeah, it's always done that. It sounds like a wire, a bra wire,
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It sounds like someone's scratching it.
hitting it.
You know what everyone thinks is the fault on this? The springs. Everyone thinks the springs go on these ones. I'm like, no, that's just the sound they make.
Tell you what the guy's done, because he's put in, you can buy it, it's like that vinyl stuff, that hard vinyl stuff that's sticky.
Oh yeah, it's like
He's put that in the sides here, and he's made it more rigid,
Aye.
Yeah, because
so it doesn't flex anymore.
these are very flimsy cabinets.
Yeah, they are.
So he's put that in and it doesn't flex.
Because the 95 is a solid cabinet. This is like, the whole thing will wobble when it's...
Yeah, it does.
Well, they all have, you know, all the WM.
That's good though, that's got an actual kick plate to it.
Yeah.
Because the other ones have just got that little thin removal one.
Aye, that's right.
Half
That
done
was
it.
practically painted on.
Yeah.
Might as well have been.
Yeah, the 95
Might as well
is
just
like,
not
it's
exist.
like a
Yeah.
peeling one on the 95. It'll be a peeling.
Aye, yeah, that's
It peels
right.
off.
We're supposed to.
They can. It will peel off, yeah. Ultima.
That WM75S was the workshop. That's going to obviously go up as well.
So now they call it WMM for the aluminium or metal, wasn't it? Oh look, they'll do it.
He's going to come down for September. Up for September, sorry. So by then, you know, could like you know buy it off you.
Not having that.
No.
Strange FHP motor sounds.
Yeah.
It's still quiet though.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, by now GEC will be deafening your left ear will be going.
Yeah. It would.
So Matt and Elliot had like a sound in their one. It echoes the entire house.
Like my mum, well, it's actually our husband's the other WM72 in London. So that's like the closest thing.
That's a GEC.
That's only 12. That's only 1200 now.
Well, this is the thing. You'll do that now for about 5 minutes, or 4 minutes, or something like that, and then it will ramp up
Oh.
to.
Oh,
do
that
its
must have been 800 then. Oh,
Exactly.
No, I don't know.
But it sounds like 1200. That sounds exactly the same as happened when the mums was at 1200. So that's what I'm saying.
If that had a GEC motor, I'll be able to tell.
Because they had obviously WM70. Right, got WM71, which is ours. 72 originally 12.
73 is 1400.
73, 40.
Yeah, that's
So hang on, did the 73 have a GEC motor?
Yep,
It did.
yep.
See, I thought by then they'd factory fitted them all with FHP because the GEC 1400 was known to blow
And then
out.
to replace them,
FHP.
came FHP 74, 1000, 75, 1200, and 76, 1400. It's still 1400 for FHP. That is so rare.
But it's funny how the FHP was still programmed to do 30 seconds. Why did they not? Because the FHP can handle 1200. No, 1400 would be for 10 seconds, wouldn't it? Or was it?
You see, that's what it does. 10 seconds.
See, Spencer's WM31 only does 1200 to 10 seconds, because mine will do straight out 30 seconds.
Yeah, because Merloni's 3D 30 seconds.
Yeah. It even says it in the manual, it says that's what they call pulse spin.
Pulse spin.
That's what pulse spin is, yeah. Well, Nairtel.
To apparently not damage the clothes or something.
It's not to damage the motor, that's what it is.
Not to damage the clothes. That's what they put in the manual. It's actually not to damage the motor from overheat.
Because the 1400 one, James told me the way it works, it actually disconnects all the field coils on it. So the motor is running red hot at 1400.
Right.
So essentially it's about to blow up basically. If it went any longer. Then at the time you had the new ways that were pulling 1600 and still being able to do it for 5 minutes.
Yeah, because on funny that you could actually make a new big motor to 1900.
1900 it was capable of it, yeah.
What? No way.
Yeah, I know. That's like me when I call you, isn't it, Gardner, when you're filming?
Yeah, I'll say, oh, fuck. Yeah. No, so that's why you need a proper camera.
Yeah, that's why I told you to get a camera.
Well, I can't afford one just now.
Can't afford 289 quid.
No, not yet. I'm buying one in a new car. And then
And he's wanting to buy a bus probably, aren't you? Remember that whole thing you had?
well, 614 is gone. It's Candy Beach.
Okay, what classic car you got now?
I've got a Rover 25 1.6. But I'm wanting a Montego.
Yeah.
I'm desperate for a
You
Montego.
went down on the train for one, and it sold.
Yeah, the guy messaged me when I was there in Birmingham and says, oh yeah, I sold it. And I was like,
So what was for sale?
it was for sale, I bought it, paid for it, and then I had the
No.
insurance set that day. That's good. Yeah, that's good, that's next to last one as well.
That is, yeah. Although they do overshoot.
Still going.
Yeah. Although they do overshoot a little, that is going faster than 12, I'm sure it is. It's like we were trying to figure out with, whose was it? Elliot's WD420.
Yeah.
On the final spin what it does. We reckon it went to 1400, not to 1200.
Yeah, that would probably be about right.
Even though it's a 1200 washer drive, we reckon it went to 1400.
Oh, did you like 420?
420. Because it does the
No,
spin.
it is actually. I think it is only 420 because they have a different board altogether.
Yeah. What, the 4Throw and 420 have?
Yeah, they have different boards.
Right, because his one does this thing where it goes up, and then I know, like, Janet was telling me how the spin speed goes, because he had the service manual for it. So it goes like, in fact, it goes up to 1100, then it does a boost up to 1200, but then it climbed even more, and I said, well, that's definitely going faster than 1200.
I wonder if it's been
We reckon it was like 1300, but your one did it as well. I was
Yeah.
watching your video and it does 1300 or something. Because I was like, it's a WMA
Yeah,
motor.
because Jan's got that now.
Because like the WMA motor, that makes a certain sound at 1400. Look.
Unless the board's been changed and it's been put onto a 1400, or the front face has been smacked at some point and they changed that to a 420.
Yeah, it could be, yeah.
Could be, I don't know.
Because they're all interact with each other the same. The 420 and 440, they're the same version.
Yeah, because it's got the
still
same in
exactly
the same manual. It's like for the WD 420
Yeah.
and 440.
It's just the 440 also is 1400. But everything's the same programming on it.
Yeah.
Suppose we get